This one allows us to measure current making use of this clamp, but it cannot measure more than 20 amperes. If the current we want to measure is above 20 amperes and this selector switch is here on this 20 amps, we're going to have a reading here out of range. And then in that case, we're going to select a higher value, which is 200 amps. And then if it is above 200 amps, we select this one, which is 1000 amps. By design, this machine cannot measure any current that is above 1000 amps. And then if you are working with this, let me move to somewhere that we have a fluctuating value here. And you press this, whatever value you have here at that time will remain. So it allows you to take record if you want. And then for you to have it continue to scroll, you press the hold button again. So for us to measure current, we're going to select here. And then what happens here is when we select current, let us say we're measuring something around 200 amps, we are now going to make sure that the conductor that carries the current we want to measure is positioned in the middle of this jaw. So in that case, we are creating a complete transformer where the current carrying conductor is the primary winding, while the current transformer, which is here, which is going to take the measurement, is the secondary, because the current we have here, which creates a magnetic field around this conductor, is going to induce that current into the secondary coil, which is the coil of our current transformer. So when that happens, the current that is induced into this coil is displayed on this screen for us to see it in digital format. Now, if we want to measure the current on DC, it is an entirely different game because, of course, you know, direct current does not change. It is constant. It's a constant current. So we make use of a Hall effect sensor. And what that does is that it produces a voltage which is proportional to the strength of this magnetic field in this current carrying conductor. And this voltage is then converted into current reading, which is displayed on our display. And of course, this is used to open this jaw and clamp onto your conductor. And then for this to measure accurately, you make sure that this jaw is properly closed. So whenever you open it like this, make sure it's closed before you can now take any value that is displayed on this LCD. If you like this video, please let me know in the comment section. If you have any question, also let me know in the comment section or send me a private message. And of course, continue to stay connected with me.